There are many products available to choose gadgets on Amazon, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best gadgets on Amazon from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. JISULIFE Portable Neck Fan. Boasting over 35,000 5-star Amazon reviews, online customers and our team at GH appreciate this discreet yet powerful, hands-free neck fan that features 3 cooling speed settings and up to 16 hours of battery life. Lindsay Marmer, the associate visual editor at GH, wears this gadget at outdoor concerts, theme parks, and her everyday commute on the subway. At a glance, it looks like I'm rocking a pair of headphones around my neck, but really I'm a neck fan lady. Number 2. CEHNCEH Strawberry Slicer. This tiny little gadget is a favorite in my household for making breakfast a bit easier. It slices the strawberries perfectly for overnight oats, according to my mom, and she's right. With a simple push, you'll have thin but not too thin slices of strawberries filled in the cup within seconds that can be thrown into cereal, oatmeal, or eaten as is. Number 3. Cozyberry Querencia Candle Warmer. Safely enjoy flame-free gentle scent from your favorite candles with this gadget. Yes, you read that right. This candle warmer melts wax candles from its strong overhead lamp, preventing indoor flames or soot. It adds a bit of luxury to your home while making your candles last way longer. She also noticed less smoke while using this gadget, which is ideal for those with a sensitive nose or small room. Number 4. BN Link Wireless Remote Control Electrical Outlet Switch for Lights. Holidays are fun and all until you realize you need to unplug 10 different wires every night to turn off lights and decorations. Rather than scrambling under a Christmas tree to turn the lights on and off, my family bought these handy outlets that can be used year-round. All you have to do is point the remote at the outlet and hit a button to power the outlet, easily turning your lights, Christmas village, electric menorah, or anything in the outlet, even a lamp, on and off. Number 5. Dash My Mug Ice Cream Maker Machine. It may not have as many bells and whistles as other at-home ice cream makers, but this no-fuss product gets the job done for a portion of the price. Simply follow the suggested recipes or make up your own for a sweet frozen treat. It was easy to use and made creamy ice cream that tasted delicious, one user said. Number 6. WAITIEE Wireless Charger 3-in-1. Add some cool office gadgets to your workspace, such as this charging station that can declutter your desk. Rather than having tons of wires, charge your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods all at once on this device that only uses one outlet. Plus, your phone will be angled upwards so that you can spot notifications or take a quick FaceTime call when needed. Number 7. HKDGYHON Toy Pen. Bring a fidget toy wherever you go with this discreet, yet fun, magnetic toy pen. The colorful pen can be used for writing notes on paper and tablets with a touchscreen style head. When you're not writing, twist the pen into tons of different shapes and figures, with the included metal spheres. This has been very helpful for my son to help his concentration when doing his homework and keep his mind occupied, said one Amazon reviewer. Number 8. ChomChom Roller Pet Hair Remover. Pets are adorable, but cleaning up pet hair is a little less adorable. However, it doesn't have to be difficult if you use this nifty gadget. Our experts in the GH Institute Cleaning Lab ranked this tool from ChomChom the best pet hair removal tool. This reusable tool picked up all of the fur that was on our test surfaces after just one pass. Simply roll the tool over couches, chairs, beds, and carpets, and all the fur will be stored in a small compartment that you can then dump into the trash. Number 9. Waterpik Ion Professional Water Flosser. Flossing can be difficult if you have braces, dental implants, or dexterity issues. Plus, it's tiring. This handheld water flosser makes cleaning your teeth much easier and better. The wireless design can be placed anywhere in your bathroom without any wires making a mess. Our testers gave the earlier version of this flosser high marks for its effective between teeth cleaning. I have one area that floss cannot reach, and this made it a breeze to reach. My dentist is going to be thrilled, one tester said. Number 10. Rocketbook Core Reusable Smart Notebook. Whether you're a student taking notes or an adult who loves to journal, the Rocketbook can eliminate tons of paper waste. Rather than owning multiple notebooks and tossing or recycling them when they are full, snap a picture to store the notes in the Rocketbook app, and then you can wipe away your notes from these 32 pages and restart on an empty, new page. Plus, this gadget comes with a Pilot friction pen that is a good housekeeping seal holder. Number 11. JALL Wake Up Light Sunrise Alarm Clock. Say goodbye to blaring alarm clocks in the dark with this sunrise alarm clock that slowly wakes you up by increasing its brightness throughout 10, 20, or 30 minutes and gently playing one of 8 sounds. Available in white, gray, and a wood grain shade, this sleek and helpful gadget comes at an unbeatable price for what it is. What we love most is that it comes with some of the features you'll find in more premium and pricey alarm clocks like FM radio and a nightlight. Number 12. NiuYichee set of 4 water-absorbent diatomite trays. If your bathroom counter, desk, or side tables are covered in water, consider these trays that absorb moisture from cups, soap dispensers, makeup, and more while keeping everything dry. I brought it to work, and I put my iced coffee cup that I make every morning on there, and now the water doesn't go onto my desk, said one user who claimed that it works better than a regular coaster for keeping condensation off her desk. Number 13. Secura Electric Wine Opener. Never struggle to open a wine bottle again with this rechargeable electric wine bottle opener. My brother gave this gadget as a gift for Mother's Day years ago, and my entire family and party guests love this device. It removes corks in a matter of seconds and rarely needs to be recharged. Plus, the design is ergonomic and makes it especially easier to open wine bottles for those with arthritis or weak hands. Number 14. Conair Handheld Garment Steamer for Clothes. Wear wrinkle-free clothes on your next vacation after using this handheld garment steamer from Conair. The portable device won a Good Housekeeping Cleaning Award, is available in 5 colors, and can eliminate wrinkles on clothing with just a bit of water and a power outlet. Our experts loved that the head of this clothing steamer pivots and how quickly it heats up. Throw it in your carry-on and feel free to fold clothes as tightly as you want into your luggage. This device will fix the wrinkles once you reach your destination. Number 15. FI Series 3 Smart Dog Collar. Let your dog run free in the yard without worrying about losing them thanks to this dog GPS tracker. Our tech and pet experts love the extra features the FI collar has, including the step and sleep tracker that helps you check on your pet's overall well-being. Plus, the app is easy to use and can show you an entire history of where your pet wandered off to if they accidentally escape an unlocked gate. Number 16. Dimux Coffee Warmer with Mug Set. Coffee and tea lovers who drink slowly or tend to forget they had a hot drink at all, something I am guilty of, can benefit from this useful gadget. The coaster keeps mugs nice and warm so that you can take your time sipping hot coffee, tea, or hot chocolate without it getting cold before you finish your cup. I love this mug warmer set because it's compatible with other ceramic, glass, metal, and enamel gloves, and can even make my room temperature coffee hot again after a few minutes. Number 17. TSJ Office Acrylic Dry Erase Whiteboard. Write your to-do list, doodle, or jot down notes in a meeting with this desktop dry erase board. We love how the transparent acrylic material gives it a more sophisticated and elevated appearance than a traditional whiteboard. Don't forget to grab some dry erase markers. Number 18. Sweet Alice Gravity Electric Pepper and Salt Grinder Set. Another item that's a star in my kitchen is this electric salt and pepper set. These gadgets grind salt and pepper for you within seconds, which makes cooking faster and always gets a few oohs and ahs from guests at the dinner table. My family likes that these light up, so that you can tell they're working since it can be difficult to tell if salt is pouring out or not at times. Number 19. Therabody TheraGun Mini 2 Handheld Electric Massage Gun. Enjoy an at-home massage after a strenuous workout with this Good Housekeeping Fitness Award winner. This massage gun from TheraGun includes 3 built-in speeds and 3 attachments that deliver a percussion-style massage. Use the Therabody app for pre-made treatment routines or to create your own massage session that will alleviate pain and help tight muscles recover. I thought the massage was surprisingly effective, and it definitely helped relax some sore areas, one athlete told us. Number 20. GreenLife 3-in-1 Breakfast Maker Station. Small kitchens call for clever solutions. Our experts in the kitchen lab love this budget-friendly 3-in-1 breakfast station that can toast bread, cook thinly sliced bacon and fry an egg all at once within a few minutes. The griddle's non-stick properties exceeded our expectations, as fried eggs were released smoothly. Available in 4 colors, this petite kitchen gadget will quicken your breakfast-making skills each morning so that you can get to work on time. Number 21. Soundcore Anker. 3. Listen to music while you shower with this budget-friendly quality speaker featuring a waterproof, lightweight, compact design. Bring it in the shower with you so that you can belt along to your favorite tunes. Our tech pros love the 24-hour battery life and the speaker's ability to pair up to 100-plus Soundcore speakers if you're throwing a party. That way, everyone can hear the music throughout the house, backyard, and even by the pool. Number 22. PetSafe ScoopFree Crystal. Cat owners can take one less chore off their to-do list with this self-cleaning litter box that our pros loved. With Crystal cat litter, there are almost no tracking problems and no dust. This model is easy to set up and doesn't connect to an app, a plus for those tired of needing their phones for everything. Never scoop another pile of poop again, but you will have to eventually empty the bin weekly and replace the tray once a month. Number 23. Baseus Open-Ear Headphones. Eli Sport 1. Noise cancellation headphones are great, until you go running and can't hear cars and people on the road. For your own safety, try these open-ear running headphones that allow you to listen to music and hear your surroundings. Our experts and testers loved this device for its great audio quality and comfort. These sound great for open-ear headphones, especially in the bass range. Listen up to 7.5 hours of music on a single charge for an extra long run or even a marathon, in which case you'll be able to hear the crowds cheering for you. Number 24. TOPIST Angry Mama Microwave Cleaner. Regularly cleaning your microwave can keep your kitchen looking and smelling fresh. Easily rid your microwave of grime and stains with this hilarious microwave cleaner by filling the bottom with water and vinegar, placing it in your microwave, and letting it run for 7 minutes. Steam releases from the figure's head, which loosens up grime that makes it easier to wipe clean. Our pros were impressed with how effective and easy this gadget was in testing. Number 25. OXO Good Grips Soft-Handled Garlic Press. You don't need to be a chef to chop tiny pieces of garlic, you just need the right tools. One of our kitchen experts' favorites garlic presses, this OXO gadget makes cooking and adding flavor to your meals easier than ever, and your hands won't smell like garlic for the rest of the day. With slip-proof handles, a large enough head to press multiple garlic cloves at once, square holes for a more traditional minced look, and an included cleaning tool. At 75%, it yielded the most amount of unpeeled garlic than any others we tested. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.